Hey guys, I am chasing that rear end noise we all hear. It's a lot of fun. I have replaced the struts and or springs, stabilizer bar links, all that fun stuff at least 3 times in 2 years of owning my Element. And now I am replacing links again. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the stabilizer bar bushings as well. I don't know if you've run into this issue, but I have at least twice. I have to cut the stabilizer bar link off because it strips out every time I try to loosen the nut. But yeah, I'm gonna see how far I can get today, which better be all of it because I need to drive this thing tomorrow for work. The setup underneath is, ow. Alright, so this one seems to be okay on the passenger side, or the driver's side. Sounds coming from over there. And this is the one that's giving me all the trouble. I gotta cut the see these cut marks here. Had to cut it before, and I'll cut it again. I mean, these don't look bad or anything, but I figure while I'm under here, I might as well replace them. And at some point, I'm going to try and work out this issue. Apparently, this is supposed to be covered in rubber or something and hold it still. I'm sure most of us have this issue where it just freely moves. It's a counterweight, I believe, for the all-wheel drive rear differential. But anyway, I will keep you posted. Have fun, my friends. Alright. That had to be a half an hour at least. I have these off. This is finally off. The easiest way to take these things off when they get held up and they just start spinning inside, like that, when you try and loosen it, just cut the damn boot off. Just slice that boot right off. Then you can get some, for my knowledge impaired viewers, you can get some channel locks on that cylinder, whatever, and then you can loosen it off. That's the easiest way. You don't have to cut them. I ended up cutting one off, this one, but I mean, these things are garbage, just garbage. Anyway, I got the new bushings on stabilizer bar. You do not have to take this off. I have a dickhead friend that said that you have to take it off. He changed his. They have a slit in it already from Honda. So just 12mm bolts, pull off the brackets that hold them on. You use a 12mm, they might be halfway seized up in there, so you're gonna want an impact or some kind of breaker bar to get those loose. It was kind of a pain. I mean, if you've got Rust City growing under yours like I have on mine, it's not a bad idea to be prepared for that to seize up. But I'm gonna get this thing back on there and then put the new stabilizer bar links on, and hopefully that sound will go away, because I keep buying struts because I changed the struts and then there's a clanking sound in any older Honda I've ever owned. If there's a clanking sound like that, your strut's bad. It's always these damn stabilizer bar links. Alright, I'll check in with you in a minute. Alright, it's back together. I'm an idiot. I only bought one of those things, the stabilizer bar links. So I'm gonna have to get the driver's side one and finish it later. I put the old one back on. It makes some noise, but it's not as bad as it was. It feels more solid, I guess, back there with those new bushings, the stabilizer bar. It's better, but I'll have to finish it up later. And make sure you check back with me in the next couple months. I have a project on a Civic wagon here. It's not super secret or anything, but I'm not going to tell you what it is until it's done. So just check back. That's going to be a big one. So I'll see you later. Keep watching. Subscribe. Tell your moron friends so they can learn something. Jeez.